Okay, so can you kind of give me an idea what you have tried doing on this?
I think so I tried putting like the for G I tried -3 equals 2.
Okay, yeah, because when they say f of g, they means f on the outside, g on the inside. So then you start
Yeah.
going through each one of those ordered pairs. So yeah, very nice. You did -3. So g of -3 will actually give you 1, right? Because that's the y value for g of
Yeah.
-3. So the 1 will go in here, and then you have to find f of 1. And what did that give you?
F of 1 that gives -4, right?
No, because f of 1 will be this ordered pair here, right? Because that's where you have the
Okay.
-1.
Yeah.
So it will actually be that 0. So
Okay.
that means this ordered pair, we started out with -3 initially, and then you ended up with 0. So that would be the ordered pair for the first one.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, that does.
Okay. And then you'll basically continue with all the other G values. So the next one we would do again, F on the outside, G on the inside, and then your next ordered pair is with +1. So let me
So we
see
would
what you
just
come up with for this guy,
go through all the ordered pairs kind of thing.
basically.
Okay. Would that equal F negative F1?
Yeah, very good. F of 1. And then F of 1 will take us to what value?
0 again, right?
Yeah, 0 again, because it's taking you to the same point. So what will this final ordered pair look like here?
1 0.
Very good. Did you want to try the remaining numbers?
No, I think I got it now.
You're okay on that?
Yeah.
Very good. Let me go ahead and save this screen here. Okay, what else did you want to look at?
How would I write that? Would I just put FOG and then the 2 ordered pairs?
So yeah, you just need to write down kind of like, how you see how they're written down in the F and G functions. So in that same way, you would just do, inside the parentheses, -3 0, then you would do comma again inside the parentheses, you would have your ordered pair of 1 0.
Okay.
And you would keep doing that till
For all
you
the numbers?
basically know, yeah, how many ordered pairs you end up with.
Okay.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Okay, very good.
And then I needed help with number 14 too.
Okay, let's take a look. Okay. So let's see. This one is specifically asking you to do f of g of 5. So what did you do on this one?
I had G1 equals 1 squared minus 5.
Okay, so why did you do 1 as your x value?
Because instead of, I just replaced the x with a 1 and
Right,
squared
but
it.
you actually want to use this number 5 over here because that's the number that they're asking you to specifically evaluate this at.
Okay.
So yeah, just always go with the number they are giving you.
Okay.
So what do you think your G of 5 will come out to be?
I honestly have no idea.
Imagine what happens when you plug in 5 for your x. What will you get?
5 squared.
Very good. Yeah, 5 squared. And then you would still have the -5, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So 5 square will give us what?
25.
Very good. So what do you think your final answer will come out to be?
20.
There you go. All right, perfect. So this is what you're going to put inside over here, right? To replace your G of 5.
Yeah.
Because all we have done is solve the inside right now. So you've got G of 5 as 20. So this will now become F of 20. So that means you now need to go to the F function and replace your X with 20.
Okay.
And what do you think that will come out to be?
Negative 79.
Okay, let's check. So you have -4 times X. So X will be 20
Mm-hmm.
minus 1. So -4
Oh, no,
times 20, of
81.
course, will be -80, right?
Yeah.
Minus 1. So what did you end up with?
I ended up with negative 79, but I forgot to add. So I subtracted it. So now it's negative 81 is what it
That's
is.
correct. Yeah, very good. I'm glad you caught that. All righty. So this will be your final answer.
Okay.
So yeah, just remember this was the inside function. So that's not your final answer. This has
Yeah.
to go, inside of that F function to get to the final step. All righty. Perfect.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, not a problem.
I really appreciate it.
Oh, you're most welcome. So those were the only two that you were having trouble with?
Yeah.